You don't need to start from scratch if you want to start being a digital creator and creating passive income online. You can buy the simple template that's been set up for you, simply customize it using free Canva, and create your Etsy listings that sell your monthly planner catered to your niche, such as a mom life budget binder. You just change the colors. It's really easy doing this in Canva. You can select this font. You want to change it. You want to go with something really bold and bright green. You can change all pages at once. You want to change your text. You just select the text you want. All pages at once are updated at the same time. So you can really quickly change this around, target it to different niche markets, and create multiple listings from this one starter template. You just add simple modifications, put in some new graphics. You can work with so many different free elements within Canva. Do a simple Etsy listing, get your products up. This product, it comes with instructions. It gives you what's included, what it's perfect for, what you can do with it, steps on how to access it and everything, and a digital product starter guide. Gives you some business tips on how to get your product out there and seen. And it is such a simple, low-cost business to start. You don't have to pay for Canva. Use the free version. Etsy listings are 20 cents a listing, so it's very low cost business starter. You can find some other sites that work for free, and you can start building your own passive income using this one simple template and turning it into 5 to 10 different digital assets you can get working for you with very little work and minimal effort. So please like and subscribe my channel. I will be continuing to post more content about how to build passive income and build your own business with little capital to start. I also have this listing available on Etsy. You can download it. It's a $5 listing if you want to start with the template I've already created and get your business up and running.